This is your last warning or we will break the window. Good.
Nice. Nice. Good work. Good use of the baton.
I'm watching her hands.
Smart. What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop, not anymore. If you want to know why, I wrote a long post under the post tab on my homepage of the YouTube channel. Check it out. There seems to be a lot of people commenting on that lately. Anyway, every single day I walk into a brand new video blindly, don't read anything beforehand, and react in real time to give you a glimpse as to how the cop brain is working, because without fail, there's always one question that stands out that people want to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? So I'm here to answer that question, hopefully many more with whatever pops up in today's video, which comes from Cop Watch. Not sure if we've watched one from them before. Off-duty female state cop goes nuts on cops. Okay, never seen it. Here we go.
Step out of the vehicle. 25 Metro. So be advised, driver's gonna be a off-duty NMSP officer.
NMSP, so Minnesota State Police.
Watches 5-6.
Off-duty New Mexico State police officer was observed in her vehicle driving recklessly.
I thought they said MN, not NM.
Sheriff's deputy observed her car not maintaining lanes, and she had 2 popped tires. The off-duty state police officer eventually pulled over and decided to not comply.
I can't wait for this. That, as she's likely drunk. Good advertisement there.
Two, 5, 4, 3. Come to my 20.
Is she gonna
roll down the window?
Is she a sovereign citizen? Okay, so real quick, 2 pop tires, failure to maintain lane. I would be thinking this is a DUI. I'm not sure how he knew she was off duty. Maybe he ran the plate and a message came back or something, but that's what I would be thinking. There was a nut. Oh my gosh, she's got blue live sticker everywhere.
Can you roll it down?
What's up?
You're going the wrong way on 2nd Street, and then you also hit a curb and popped both your tires on this side. How much alcohol have you had tonight?
Nothing.
So why are you slurring?
I'm not slurring.
You are, though.
Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me, okay?
Hey, just because you said I slurred, there's no reason.
What?
So you're refusing to get out of the vehicle. 25 Metro. 201 refusing to get out of the vehicle, slurring her words. Smell alcohol coming from inside the vehicle as well.
Oh, 2 inches.
So if it's a cold night and they crack their window, it's really easy to smell the alcohol coming from inside the vehicle, because usually they've got their heat on, so it just kind of like heats up all those juices, all those smells, all that stuff. So it's really easy to smell it.
201 just rolled up all the windows, refusing to get out. Doors are locked. I need you to step out of the vehicle. They affirm she will not get out of the vehicle. Will not get out. I need you to step out of the car.
They're gonna have to break the window. They're just gonna have to. As we've seen in many other videos, just because she's a cop, she doesn't get special treatment. So they're gonna have to break the window. That's what I would do.
Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
If she's
I've already explained that to you. Step out of the vehicle.
smart enough, she'll just get out.
I can't hear you.
Don't make this harder than it has to be. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
This is why I hate
Step
alcohol.
out of the vehicle. If you don't step out of the vehicle, we will break your window. We'll remove you from the vehicle. It's your choice.
As you should know, Super Cop.
Step out of the vehicle. 25 Metro. So be advised, driver's going to be off-duty NMSP officer. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
Yeah, your phone means nothing to me. She goes, look at this YouTube channel. It's called Squint Galah. This is the lamest joke ever.
You need to step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. I'm going to break the window.
So it's 11:15 p.m.
I don't care who you're
This was just in February.
calling. Step out of the car. I will break the window. Step out of the vehicle now. Step out of the vehicle.
Oh, I can't wait. I can't
Step
wait.
out of the vehicle. I will break the window. Hold
Here
on,
we
wait
go.
for the other guys to get here. State Police Hall, she's 47. Step out of the vehicle, we're gonna break the window. This is your last warning. This is your last warning or we will break the window. Go ahead.
Nice. Nice. Good work. Good use of the baton.
I'm watching her hands.
Smart.
Get out.
Sarge, please save me. I'm drunk. I made poor decisions.
Step out. Sarge! Sarge! Roll over. Sarge!
What do you mean, Sarge?
I got her. Here. Sarge!
She goes, Sarge, I can't breathe. Yes, you can. What? No one is above the law. Remember that. That's the point I want to make with this video. No one is above the law.
Oh, is that your door?
Once Metro tank here for myself and SO2 ones and cup.
25 Metro. Roll over that way. Sit up. Sit up.
Yeah, just roll this way, okay? Yeah.
Sit up.
What an idiot.
Let's go put her in my unit.
Did you any glass on you in your mouth, anything like that?
Yep.
You did? Okay, we'll get
Yep.
that for you.
In my eyes.
Ready?
You might want to spit it out.
In my eyes.
Passenger side. Passenger side.
God, she's trashed.
Anything in your pockets? The poke
25 Metro. Strong odor of intoxicating beverage on the 201, slurring her words as well.
Hey, negative. I won't get in the car until my sergeant gets here.
And we're not waiting for you, Sergeant. You're under arrest. Get in the car.
Come on.
Yeah, you should know how this goes.
Put in your unit, Vi.
Pull it through.
Yeah. Yeah, you can transport for me.
You know, it'd be classic is if when they open the door or when they made contact, she's wearing her trooper hat. That would be hilarious. That would just be the icing on the cake.
Have a seat. Have a seat. You know how this works?
Yep.
Yep.
Watch your legs so I don't kick you.
Just goes to show that everyone makes mistakes, but police should hold themselves to a higher level. As I've said many times.
She was charged with misdemeanor aggravated driving while under the influence of intoxicating liquor, open container, 3 counts of resisting arrest, failure to maintain traffic lane, and driving on the wrong side of the road. New Mexico Police Chief Troy Weisler said he was extremely disappointed to learn about the arrest. He said the officer chose to resign before an internal investigation could be completed. I remain committed to holding all my officers accountable for their actions. Her conduct does not reflect the values and integrity that define a New Mexico State police officer, and I am deeply troubled by her conduct and this breach of public trust.
Yes, amen. Okay, yeah, there's no cops should be able to get away with, doing things that they are arresting people for themselves. That just sends a message that we're better than you. Yeah, those are my thoughts. I give the police, the not drunk police, an A+. I give them a perfect score. They handled this situation perfectly. They didn't treat her with, they didn't treat her as though she was above the law. They didn't treat her as though they needed to investigate it differently because she's one of them. This officer did a fantastic job of just treating it as though it were any other person on the street. And I believe that is the best way for police to operate, to be fair in their policing, which he was 100%. As we grow bigger, the trolls are coming out, and I kind of love it, but I kind of don't. But I realize that that's sort of the grounds we've entered, considering I decided to start a YouTube channel. If you want to know why I'm not a cop anymore, I wrote a big long story about it in my posts tab on the main YouTube channel. So if you click on Squinkalonk and then go to posts, you'll see a picture of me in uniform, and then a big long story as to why I'm not a cop anymore. So there you have it. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye.